Hi guys, my name is Chanel from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I am here to show you how to achieve this powerful rainbow look. We're going to be doing a bright look, so we want to make sure that we're going to lay down a base to intensify the look. I'm going to start off this look by applying a bright yellow on the inner corner of the eyes. And now we're going to build up the intensity on the outer corner. Now we're going to apply a bright red on the lower lash line. We're going to do something completely different on the other eye. We're going to use some cool tones. So I'm going to add a pop of color on the inner corner, purple on the outer corner, intensify the lower lash line with a pop of blue. To tie this look together, we're just going to wing it out. Hop on some lashes. And that is how I do a rainbow blowout look. Thank you for watching and happy Pride!